guys. Now we've done our wet on wet. That's what we did the other day. And wet on wet is wet paint. The paint's been mixed with water and wet paper. So the paper's all been wet. And then that's what gives you this very soft, very delicate effect, like a diffused effect to it. So then we're going to do a wet on dry, which explains itself really. Is the paint is wet. I'm mixing water with the paint. The paint is wet. And the paper's dry. So we've done a wet and wet last week, and now we're doing a wet on dry today. Now, when you're thinking about what technique to use, think to yourself, do I want it to be soft and fuzzy? I'll use a wet and wet. If I want to have hard edges, like this is going to be now, I'll use a wet on dry. I'll show you. Right? You can see the hard edge coming in, and you can still see the other paint underneath. So look at that lovely crisp hard edge there to it. But I can also soften that hard edge. I've got some clean water and I'm going to invite. So I'm moving away from it and I'm coming towards. I'm moving away and coming towards. Just touching the edge to let it move about itself. It'll just soften up a little bit. You can see it softening up there. Yeah? So that's wet on dry and invite, giving you a hard edge and giving you a soft edge. Let's put something else in there next to it. There's some red in there now. Now I'm obviously just doing shapes in this, but you can put anything you want. You can make it the way you want to do it, or you can fill in a space for yourself. But you can always see, if you make the colours fine enough, you can always see the next colour underneath. That's what the beauty of watercolours is. And you can even see the white of the paper there, look. You can see the yellow, and you can see the yellow is turning green in some spots because of the blue. And here you can see the blue is turning purple because of the red underneath. So out of just 3 colours, you can get tons and tons of colours if you start to think. So when you're thinking, what you want to think about is, do I want soft, squashy edges, diffused edges, which is wet on wet? Do I want hard edges? If I want hard edges, wet on dry. Hope that helps you this week. Okay, bye now.